Thousands of women spent money buying slimming tablets just to lose weight. Have you ever thought of doing your own slimming tablet at home? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For my old subscribers, I welcome you guys. For my new subscribers, thank you so much, and don't forget to click on that button that says subscribe. I hope you guys are super duper doing fine in this summertime. So guys, what are we discussing today? Today's video is all about doing your own slimming tablet. Yes, this is one of my secrets I'm sharing with you guys. Since 2015, I have been using this tablet and it's really helping me because I don't like taking chemical tablets. What do I mean by chemical tablets? Like buying the slimming tablets. I don't like it, so I decided and come up with my own slimming tablet, which I believe that it will help somebody out there. And this is what you have at home. You don't need to go about buying slimming tablets or slimming tea while you have ingredients at home you can use to do yours. You can come out with anything you have at home. For example, now I'm about to share mine to you to know, and I believe you will like it. So guys, let's get into it.
So guys, as you can see, this is ginger powder. I got mine in Asiatic Larding, we call it, or you can call it Asian shop. And this is black pepper, the not grinded one. I grind it myself. Yeah, just take a look at that. Yeah, that is it.
So here is cinnamon. This cinnamon has two types. The one I'm using is the one with the back is very dark brown. The cinnamon, the back will be very dark brown in color. That's the one I'm making use of for this tablet. Or any cinnamon you have, if you can get the brown one, light one, it's also good. But if you can get the dark one, that will be more good. So because of time, I don't want to waste you guys time. I still have curcuma, that is turmeric. This is turmeric powder. I bought this one in Lidl. I also use it when I don't have the dry one that I used to buy in Asiatic shop. This is black pepper. Yes, you can also find it anywhere, or it's either you use this one, grind it, or you buy this one. If you don't find this one, for me, I bought my own. I grinded it before making use of it. That's why it's like this. I'm just showing you two alternatives. If you cannot be able to see this one, black pepper itself, then you can go ahead and use the grinded one. I've already grinded it. And then this is the cinnamon. If you cannot be able to find the other one I showed you, the cinnamon, if you cannot be able to find that one, you can go ahead and use this one. They'll still give you what you want. I have tried both methods and it's really working. After that, here is the capsule. I use two different types of capsule. It depends on the one you have. I use the transparent one, and I use also the white one. The white one is the big one, and the transparent one is the smaller, as in the small one. You can see it's very small. So I use both of them together. It depends on the one you see, and where I'm leaving, they're selling it one. As you can see, one of it is 5 cents. So it depends on you. I always buy a lot of it, but now you can see it's now small. So I just want to use it to show you guys how I used to do my slimming tablets and how I'm taking it at home. So here, it depends on you, the quantity you want to do, because I just want to show you guys how I do it. You get your cinnamon. It's very easy. You add 1 spoon. Get your black pepper. Add 1 spoon. Get your curcuma. Add 1 spoon of it. Your ginger. Add 1 spoon. So you go ahead, look at it. You go ahead and mix all together. Then get a tight container. Any container can serve. So far, the container is a tight one. Get it, put it inside, and close it. If you want the drinking one, just like this, I'll show you guys how I take it. So for the tablet, I'll go ahead right now with this plate. Keep it here. Remove this plate, set it aside. Then with the big capsule, open it, get the one I want like this. Pour some of the dry ginger, the mixture here. Grab this one here and this one here, both together, and close it. This is the way I used to do it. So it's very, very easy and simple to do. Very, very easy and simple to do. It's not what will take you so much time. It depends on how fast you are and how you want to do it. So I have done many because I used to store mine, and I used to go to work with it. So here is the one I have made. I use this one to go to work. These are the remaining one I have. So I'll close it, set it aside. So that is it. So while doing the tea, I'll go ahead and tell you guys the benefits of all these spices, ingredients we use to cook. You're going to benefit from it. For example, let me show you the one I have made. This is the one I have made for myself, the big one. This one I have 1 tablespoon of pepper, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of this, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, curcuma, turmeric, and ginger. That is it. Yes, and then green tea will come later. So that is it here. Guys, for the tea one, you will first add your green tea. It doesn't matter the type of green tea you are using. Just make sure that it is green tea, whether it is costly or not. Just make sure it is what? Green tea. The water is boiling. Let's go ahead and talk about the benefits of all those ingredients I mixed together here. So, what are the benefits of ginger to our health? 1, it boosts your body's fat burning ability and suppress appetite. It makes your immune system stronger and help fight viral infection when we talked about weight loss. And then improve the stability of your blood sugar and get more energy. That means it gives you more energy, and also it protects you from inflammation of brain tissue that can lead to Alzheimer, that is dementia, or Parkinson's disease. It's also ovarian cancer treatment and helps your body digest food and reduce bloating and indigestion. What about turmeric? What are the benefits? It helps to lower cholesterol, prevents progression of Alzheimer, that is dementia, aids in fat metabolism and weight management. It also has natural antibiotic, analgesic, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. About the benefits of black pepper. Black pepper helps in treating respiratory disease, reduces joint pain, helps in weight loss, good for your hair, even also good for digestion. And cinnamon powder is loaded, when I mean extremely loaded with antioxidants, cuts the risk of heart diseases and so on, guys. Now the water has boiled, so let's go ahead and pour it here. So once you pour it here, allow it 2 to 5 minutes before adding your weight loss tea. So right now, I'm going to add the tea. Take a look at that. Not half of the spoon, just 1/4 of the spoon. Turn it very well. Allow it to cool a little because you're not going to take it so hot because of your tongue. Allow it to cool a little before drinking it. For those that doesn't like turmeric powder color because it damages the whitening of our teeth, you can go ahead and use straw to drink the tea. Or you go ahead with the tablets if you don't want to be taking the tea like this. For this tablet one, if you are a new beginner to lose weight, you're new on it, I'll advise you to start taking it 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the night. The reason is this, because you don't know how your body will react on it. When I started with 1, just like I told you now, morning, afternoon, and night. As time goes on, I now increase it with 2. Taking it 2, then before you know what was happening, before I knew it, I was taking 3. But I'll tell you the secret. One thing with this is this, it will make you to be dehydrated. Dehydrating, you'll be drinking a lot of water. When I was taking 1, I was drinking a lot of water. Then I take 2 of it. It was like, ooh, it makes me to drink water so much. If you're taking this, don't forget to drink a lot of water because it will make you to go, you'll be dehydrating all the time. So that is it. So let me show you guys. I'll go ahead and take mine because it's nothing to me. This is number 1. And this is the number 2 of it. So for the other one, like I show you guys here, is the one I made. So I'll go ahead and take this one. It's just the same thing. It's just that I differentiate it from the big one. If I want this one, I take this one, sometimes 4, sometimes 3. It depends on how I want to take it, because this I've been taking it for many years. This is it. And that's it. But I tell you, tonight, I'll be running to the toilet because I have to drink a lot of water, and I'll be drinking and drinking and drinking. So guys, that's all for it today. You can even go ahead and come up with your own, like coconut oil. You can put it in the capsule, store it in the fridge, and take it. Not only that, you can come up with oil, this olive oil, anything you know that the smell, or even onions, the oil from onions or the water, anything you know that you can take for the weight loss, or it is good for you, but you don't know how to go about it because of the smelling of it. So you can go about it by putting it in a capsule and taking it as you want. For me, this one, like I told you guys, I'm taking it 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the night. When I started my weight loss journey since 2015, then I stopped 2018, and I gained a little weight because people was complaining that I was too lean. That is it. But I didn't give up. I keep on taking my normality. This is what I used to take. This, you can do it. Take it as a tablet when going to work, and take it as a tea when at home. Use this tablet when I'm going to work. Then if I'm at home, I take my tea. I don't go with the tablet. So let's go over to the kitchen and check whether the other one has cooled down, and I'll drink it too. It's harmless. I drink like 2 to 3 times a day, sometimes 4 times. It doesn't do anything to me. It's just that it helps me to be reducing weight. But don't forget to maintain yourself by what you're eating. You have to reduce what you're eating. So much of fatty food. Just watch yourself. Whatever you're eating, you know that what makes us, we women, to be adding weight is calories. When you take things, always check the calories. Or if you want to eat something, check the calories. That will even help you. It helps me a lot. I'm just sharing what helps me and what is helping me, as in I'm going bite on it. Continuation of it. Let's check in the kitchen. So guys, that's the drink. It's not too hot. I'm just turning it again because of some particles that will settle under it. I just want everything to mix together before drinking it. So guys, here is the tea. I'm about to drink it now. It has cooled down. So it tastes just normal. It doesn't taste something bad. It tastes just normal, good. I don't know for you, but just give it a try. You'll like it. Yeah. So, if you watch till the end of this video, why don't you consider subscribing and become a part of this family? Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much. Till we meet again in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.